How to reset your US bank password. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a simple way to reset your password for US banking, online banking. We can use the forgot password option for that. So let's get started. So we can start by going to our browser, and once we go over to our browser, we can go to usbank.com and hit enter, and that will lead us to this site right here. Now, in order to reset our password, it's super easy. We can head over to the login screen. At the top right corner, we can find that option that we can click on, and that should lead us to this screen right here. After that, what we can do is we can click on this option called Forgot Username or Password in this login page right here, and we can just go over and follow up the process. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to provide in the username or the personal ID. So go ahead and enter it up in the section. And once we have entered up, what we can do is we can click on this option called continue. Otherwise, if you do not know your username, you can even click on this option called I don't know my username. And you can use this option for your information such as your phone or your email and click on continue. And you can provide in your verification and click on continue, and then recover your username first and provide in your username here, and then verify your identity. You can enter the last 4 digits of your SSN, and you can choose how to receive a verification code and create a new password, and then confirm it up and finish it up. And you do not need your old password to reset it. You will usually be asked to verify your identity before changing it. So after verification, you can immediately set up a new password. And then your new password right here should be 8 to 24 characters, include letters plus numbers, and avoid using old passwords or repeating characters. And you can try again after a few minutes. Use forgot username option here if you do not remember it, and contact the US bank support if you can't verify your identity. And that is it, everybody. This is how you should be able to reset your password. So for now, we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.